Are you feeling stressed, distracted, or overwhelmed? What if I told you that with short 2-minute sessions of a simple exercise, you could regain focus, reduce anxiety, and feel more present in your life? And the best part is that all you have to do is nothing. And I'm not joking. Today, we're diving into the art of mindfulness and how you can master it with short, effective sessions. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to begin your mindfulness journey. First, let's start with the basics. What is mindfulness? Simply put, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of the right now and of your present feelings and emotions. A lot of your negative emotions are created by your thoughts about the past or the future. But when your mind is present, those emotions lose their intensity or disappear. So mindfulness is an excellent tool to free yourself from unwanted emotions. Here's a fascinating fact. Studies show that practicing mindfulness can physically change your brain. It enhances areas responsible for focus and emotional regulation while reducing stress. It also strengthens your willpower. But here's the catch. Mindfulness isn't about silencing your mind completely or meditating for hours. It's about comfortable and gentle awareness, even for a couple of minutes. The best part is that everyone can practice it. You don't need a yoga mat, incense, or absolute silence. Mindfulness can be done anywhere. Yes, even with your eyes open while waiting for your coffee. Now, let's talk about the 2-minute mindfulness practice. This is a quick, effective technique that fits into any schedule. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Find a quiet space. You don't need a meditation room, just somewhere free of major distractions and preferably where you are alone, like your desk, your room, or even the garden. You may be standing, sitting, or lying down. You can even practice with your eyes open, but if you can close them is even better. Step 2. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Use your phone or a simple timer. Knowing the time is set helps you focus without worrying about it. If you use your phone, set it to airplane mode and deactivate the Wi-Fi to avoid incoming notifications. Step 3. Focus on your breath and sensations. Take slow, deep breaths without any pauses. Pay attention to how the air feels as it enters your nose and fills your lungs. Notice the flow and rhythm of your breathing. Step 4. And this is the most important part. Acknowledge wandering thoughts and then let them go. If your mind starts to wander, and it will, that's okay. Notice your thoughts without judgment. Don't fight them or try to suppress them. Just acknowledge them and let them go. Let them flow and pass by. Then, gently guide your focus back to your breath without judgment or guilt. Notice how it feels to be present again. And when the next thought shows up, just repeat the process and let it go. Release it gently and return to the present. It's really that simple. Don't aim for perfection, just practice. Mindfulness is not a competition, but it is a lost skill. When you were a baby, you lived in the present, but as you grow up and have more activities to do, your focus goes to the past, usually to remember how you messed up, or it goes to the future, usually trying to avoid messing up again. Your mind does this so many times that you start to lose your ability to be present. Well, now you can practice this skill again in practical 2-minute sessions. The more sessions you can do, the better. Don't worry if you get many distracting thoughts. Instead, feel proud every time you let a thought go. That meant that for a moment, you put the automatic thought-creating machine of your mind on hold, and you took charge of your mind. The more you practice taking charge of your thoughts, the better you will get at it. Like the great Joe Dispenza says, every thought dismissed is a victory. So, start today. Find 2 minutes in your schedule and try it out. And let me know in the comments how you felt. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who should come back to the present more often. Thank you for watching, and remember, just 2 minutes can make a big difference. See you in the next video.